Water project by Valentina 4BM. Hope you enjoy it. Water is a precious and unique life-sustaining resource. Although pure water is essential to living things, less than 1% of the water on Earth is essential to usable for humans. Although pure water is essential to living things, less than 1% of the water on Earth is accessible and usable for humans. In order for water to move from a source to a safe, usable form of water for people, it must undergo a journey that eventually leads to our homes. All water goes through a continuous cycle. Radiation is driving force behind the water, or hydrological cycle. When the sun heats the Earth's surface, evapotranspiration takes place. This is the process of water heating up and becoming a gas known as water vapor. Vapor is released through transpiration in plants and evaporation from collections of water. Once water vapor, it will ascend to the air where it will begin to cool and condense. Condensation occurs when the vapor cools and returns to a liquid state. This is when clouds form. As more and more water vapor condenses, the water molecules become heavy and begin to precipitate or fall back to Earth. This can come in the forms of rain, sleet, hail, and snow, depending on the temperature. Once a form of precipitation falls, water collects. It will collect in rivers, lakes, and oceans. It can also collect underground in aquifers as a solid state in ice caps and glaciers. Some water from a designated source, such as a reservoir, will make an extra journey through a series of filters and pipes to enter our home and personal use. Whether water runs through the pipes of our home, an underground aquifer, the ocean, or anywhere else, it's a continuous journey. People use water in many ways. One way people use it is in our daily lives like drinking water, personal hygiene, and cooking. Another way is farming, like planting plants, vegetables, and fruits. People use a lot of water for transportation and machines because washing them takes a lot of water. We use water a lot for making things like paper because we make it from trees, and trees need a lot of water to grow. People use water for fun also because of the waterfall, swimming pool, and other things, but people can live without them. It's just for fun. We use a lot of water. Slurry is liquid poo. Slurry is very good for the health of the plants. The only problem is that slurry eventually ends up into rivers, lakes, and oceans. Do you know why slurry is such a bad thing? Because slurry blocks the oxygen from coming in the water. So if slurry goes into rivers, lakes, and oceans, the fish will die because they are suffocating. Besides that, there are so many things that can and are polluting water. Water is the most precious object in the world. We need to help it. Well, if you ask me, how can we stop polluting water? I think we can all pitch in and help stop polluting the water by stop drinking out of plastic water bottles because it's bad for the environment. Stop using the ocean as your own personal trash can, and stop dumping paper pulp in rivers because it will kill all the fish in them. Stop! And start. Start only taking a 5-minute shower. Start using used water to water your plants. Start reusing your plastic water bottles if you buy them. Don't just drink out of it and then throw it away. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy it. Special thanks to Shimley, Susung, Henry, Viet, and me, Valentina, for the wonderful photos that you saw on this picture that were taken on our field trip. Thank you and goodbye.